what did you think when you hear RG Medical College case? Because that's again a government medical college there.
For such a soul to have a medical college named after him and then have this kind of an act within the premises of that institution. What happened in RG Car is under investigation and I should not comment on it, but it does not seem to be an impulsive episode. I was also member secretary of the internal complaints committee
Okay.
for sexual harassment against women, which
Okay.
is formed under the POSH Act. You see, why there were senior residents and junior, because at the time you had just one senior resident and one junior resident
जी.
on duty. But now, since the court's guidelines have come, अगर किसी रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर ने या लेडी फैकल्टी ने रात को आना है तो वहाँ पर अ सेमिनार हॉल इज नॉट रियली मेंट फॉर दैट.
Okay.
यू हैव ड्यूटी रूम्स फॉर दैट.
संजय रॉय करके जो भी व्यक्ति पकड़ा गया, he was a civic volunteer. So do we have civic volunteers here? दिल्ली में भी यहाँ पे भी हैं. And if it is हैं तो हम उनकी चेकिंग क्रॉस चेकिंग हम करते हैं, मतलब वो क्या प्रोसेस होता है? जय हिंद दोस्तों, सिद्धार्थ भैया के इस YouTube चैनल पर आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है. एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट पॉडकास्ट. आई डोंट नो, ये मेरा शायद 230वां 40वां पॉडकास्ट होगा, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफरेंट पॉडकास्ट. ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, IAS IPS ऑफिसर्स का इंटरव्यू हमने पॉडकास्ट लिया हुआ है, बट दिस इज इट्स क्वाइट डिफरेंट. इससे पहले कि आप कहीं और चले जाएं, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. और जैसे ट्रेलर में हमने देखा, बड़ी सारी मुद्दों पर बात हुई है. सो डू वॉच टिल द एंड बिकॉज समवॉट it reflects our society, somewhat it reflects the urgency in the medical healthcare system. So मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेना चाहूँगा. I literally, it's my privilege to invite medical superintendent of AIIMS, Professor and Dr. Nirupa Madan. Welcome to our channel, ma'am. सबसे पहले तो ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आपने टाइम वक्त निकाला हमारे लिए और हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए. Thank you so much for sparing time for us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's my pleasure as well, Siddharth.
It's quite a hectic schedule because एम्स का मैम नाम सुनते ही ना लोगों को टाइम याद आ जाता है कि मतलब टाइम एंड देन बहुत भीड़ रहती है एंड देन लॉट्स ऑफ पेशेंट डॉक्टर्स. लेकिन आपने जो वक्त निकाला है उसकी कीमत शायद आप समझ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. एंड मैं ये भी बताना चाहता हूँ कि Nirupa Madan ma'am is the first MS medical superintendent of AIIMS, first female medical superintendent of AIIMS. So अपने आप में काफी सारे questions खोल देता है. So going to start with ma'am, आपसे एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन चाहिए था कि where are you from and वो ऐसा क्या अलग किया आपने that you reached till this position, and how your education system has been.
Well, I belong to Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
And my formal education has been in Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Mostly in Jammu, but then my post-graduation has been from Kashmir.
Okay.
And after that, it's been a journey through PGI and AIIMS.
Okay.
In different capacities in my job and my senior residency. आपने पूछा मैंने क्या डिफरेंट किया, तो फ्रैंकली ऑल मेडिकोस गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रिलिंग ड्यूरिंग देयर एजुकेशन. मैंने भी की. डिफरेंट शायद थोड़ा सा ये था कि डरी नहीं कहीं पे.
ओके.
चलती गई.
ओके. एंड सिंस यू मेंशन कि बहुत रोलर कोस्टर राइड होती है ये जर्नी, सो अ फीमेल डॉक्टर रेसिडेंट में भी क्या चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए होंगे अपने टाइम पे? आई मीन व्हाट रोलर कोस्टर राइड व्हाइल यू वर इन जम्मू एंड नाउ हियर इन एम्स.
So when we were studying, the world was a milder place to be in. You know, people really looked after each other, communicated well. I think the first real challenges that I faced were when I went to the rural sector for my posting.
Okay.
After I got my first job in Jammu. वहाँ पर जाके जब आप actually a doctor is a public figure, or our education does not prepare us to deal with the public in villages. That is something our education system needs to
Right.
change. It needs to be tweaked. We have an internship in rural areas,
जी.
but the full impact of a rural posting was what I felt when I went there.
Okay.
And I saw the good and the bad.
Okay.
हमें शायद गांव में कैसे रहना है थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता है, गांव के लोगों के साथ उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या हैं, हमें वो रीड करना और हमें अपने आप को उस तरह से ढाल कर चलना
बिल्कुल.
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आता है. एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम जब घर से दूर, काफी दूर, up in the mountains, थोड़ा
Okay.
insecure भी होती है. A girl alone is insecure at that point of time.
100%.
But then, like I told you, I think the world was a better place to live in at that time. But yes, it does raise issues of security. It does raise a lot of issues into which we need to look to make our female workforce safer,
Okay.
or at least to make them feel secure.
Okay. And after Kashmir, you said the second chance was in Kashmir. आप posted थे कश्मीर में.
I did my
कश्मीर
post graduation there.
पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन there. कश्मीर से फिर यहाँ तक की जर्नी कैसे रही?
कश्मीर से यहाँ तक नॉर्मल मैं अपनी सीनियर रेजिडेंसी करने यहाँ आई, एंड आई
Okay.
सॉ द पोटेंशियल ऑफ एम्स, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई ऑलवेज wanted to come back to AIIMS.
Okay.
And though I was in a regular job in Jammu, I planned to come here, and I think it's partly consistency and partly God's grace that I'm here.
I spoke to people and आप trauma में थे, आप MS थे, and then you
Yes.
came here.
I was additional MS there.
Yeah. So how was your experience? वहाँ पे तो इस trauma में, I mean नाम से भी trauma.
So, and the thing is that I took up that posting as additional MS right when COVID started. It was
Okay.
in July 2020 that I went there as additional MS.
ठीक है.
So, actually, the 3 waves and then the 3.5, the 4th wave of COVID, I was there. It was, I would not say that it was all smooth, but it was a challenge. It was a challenge that, needed a lot of metal and
Exactly.
needed a lot of teamwork. And fortunately, we all got together as a team in trauma and handled the challenge. And then subsequently, the COVID center was reverted back into a trauma center. So if you ask me which of the two was more challenging, I think COVID was more challenging than
Right.
trauma.
मैं ये आपसे सवाल पूछने वाला था because COVID happened not only with one person. I mean the entire India. I mean the entire world was affected, and so does AIIMS. और जब कहीं कुछ नहीं होता है ना तो लोग एम्स की तरफ देखते हैं. जब
Yes.
कहीं कुछ नहीं होता है, कहीं कोई इलाज नहीं होता है, डॉक्टर्स हाथ खड़े कर देते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि अब एम्स ही है जो कि हमारे समस्या का निवारण कर सकता है. कोविड टाइम पर हाउ डिड यू मैनेज मैम? आई मीन द हॉस्पिटल बेड मैनेजमेंट, डॉक्टर्स मैनेजमेंट, वो कैसे हुआ?
Well, at least at my level, I tried to make sure if there was an empty bed, it was filled. किसी का भला हो जाए. The baseline was that a bed should not go unused. Any facility should not go unused. We should put it to the best use. And उसमें the triaging that had to be done.
Right.
किसको क्या मिलना है? A lot of doctors, the whole team was there to help in that.
Right. And what were the biggest challenges did you face उस कोविड के टाइम पे?
See, initially when COVID started,
What was more tough, the phase 1 or wave 2? जो
the toughest was wave 2. Wave 1 में डर ज्यादा था. People were panicky. But the toughest was wave 2, which came in 2021.
And I think by that time lockdown was lifted. Wave 2
Lockdown
में
was
थोड़ा
lifted
मोड़ा.
even by wave 1. Lockdown लगा मार्च में,
मार्च
wave
में
1
right.
आया अक्टूबर में of 2020. तो लॉकडाउन तो तब भी नहीं था. हम लोग पैनिकी हो गए when the wave started in the US.
Right.
When they hit us.
वो जो केरला में पहला केस आया था
Yes,
जनवरी में.
yes, yes. Eventually when they hit us full in the face, by that time हम लोग ने अपना पैनिकी हो के थक चुके थे. And then subsequently wave 2 was
Wave
really
2.
bad.
Right.
So you asked me what the challenges were.
Right.
Initially it was equipment, surgical supplies. Then it was, treating protocols kept evolving, and we had to arrange for medicines according to treating protocols. There were issues of patients since COVID patients were isolated in the hospital, their attendants were not allowed inside. So there
Right.
was a lot of issue. The attendants would become panicky,
Right.
especially because COVID patients did deteriorate suddenly. So the attendants would not be able to, the family would not be able to understand how the patient deteriorated so suddenly.
Oh, okay.
So those kinds of issues, हमने उसके लिए video conferencing शुरू की for ICU patients,
Okay.
so that the families could get to see how they were doing, so that they would stay abreast of the condition of the patient.
Hmm.
But there were those challenges.
Okay. Uh, Coming to the part, when I thought of connecting with you, was the most important discussion on uh, the situation of the healthcare workers here. It's not about just the healthcare workers; it's about also the women safety and all. So अभी recent का issue हुआ आरजी कर मेडिकल कॉलेज का, and then we have seen आज से लगभग 12 साल 10 साल पहले वो निर्भया वाला केस हुआ था. मैं आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा, लेकिन what did you think when you hear RG Medical College case, because that's again a government medical college there.
I think if Dr. Carr would have been alive, he would have turned in his grave. For such a soul to have a medical college named after him and then have this kind of an act within the premises of that institution. Educational institutions are haloed,
Right.
and they should be treated like temples of learning.
And why does these incidents happens? I mean, uh, this is not the first incident happened with any healthcare worker. I mean, उसके बाद भी इतने भी cases आए, और cases I'm sure आपने भी witness किए होंगे during this course of journey. So ये issues क्यों आते हैं? I mean, is it that the male dominancy, male patriarchy अभी भी है, या फिर I mean,
See, if you're talking about violence,
hmm,
the violence that erupts sometimes because of an emotional family or an emotional attendant, that is understandable. There
right,
are all kinds of outcomes when a patient comes. There might be a negative outcome which is unanticipated,
right,
and family emotional ho jati. That's all right. It is understandable. It's not all right as in the sense wo bhi nahi hona chahiye,
hmm,
but at least usko understand karte hain. What happened in RG Car is under investigation, and I should not comment on it, but it does not seem to be an impulsive episode.
hmm,
So that is actually very different from the violence that sometimes
exactly,
erupts in hospitals.
exactly. And since being MS of AIMS here, how are we ensuring the security and safety of women healthcare? I mean, healthcare professionals.
Okay, so one thing that I perhaps did not disclose was before becoming MS, for many years I was associated with, I was also member secretary of the Internal Complaints Committee
Okay,
for Sexual Harassment Against Women, which
okay,
is formed under the POSH Act,
okay.
right? So I was
2012,
2013, yes.
2013, huh?
So I've been its member secretary, and I left off in a little while before becoming MS.
Okay,
So during that time, we've done a lot of work for women's safety.
okay.
And my predecessor also actually worked a lot for it.
Hmm,
The basics, good lighting,
hmm,
separate toilets as far as possible, which is not always possible because this is an old building. But
hmm,
at least in the newer blocks, we've ensured that we have separate toilets for women.
hmm.
We did not have. Our duty rooms used to be divided as in senior resident and junior residents duty rooms. Now we planned to make it male doctors and female doctors duty rooms.
Okay,
You see why there were senior residents and junior, because at a time you had just one senior resident and one junior resident
जी,
on duty. But now, since the court's guidelines have come, we have planned to designate them as male and female instead of senior residents and junior residents.
okay,
Okay, so that in case more than one people are on duty, they would know that the female doctor has to go to the female duty room, and likewise for the males.
okay,
So other than these, I remember holding a lot of self-defense classes for women.
अच्छा,
And
This is interesting. Yeah.
yeah, and my predecessor had also done it.
Okay.
I've participated in those classes, learned self defense. I've
Wow.
also encouraged other people, other girls within the institute,
Hmm.
all categories of staff to attend those classes. The issue is very few residents land up in those classes because they are so busy.
Hmm. वो होती है यहाँ पे?
होती हैं time to time. It's not a
Of course, yeah.
continuous thing,
Hmm.
but we organize those classes.
Great.
And the other thing that I did was we had created an app for women's safety,
Okay.
as in all the ladies, and this was especially for contractual lady staff,
Okay.
our own lady staff, all of them were told to download that app.
Okay.
It was also available on the Play Store.
Play Store and App Store. Okay.
And what would happen is if a lady was in distress,
Okay.
she had to press that app, and an alert would go to our we had a QRT, a quick
Okay.
response team made up of our guards,
Mhm.
who would then call back immediately. The issue we were having, why we couldn't
Scale that
localize
up.
it,
Okay.
we couldn't localize it because at that point when the app was created, the localization between rooms was not, it was not that microscopic.
Okay.
So the guard would call back immediately, take the
Acha.
location from the girl, and then the team would reach there.
Okay.
But ever since I've left, I think there's not been much advertisement for the app, and people have not taken it. Now I plan to resume it,
Okay.
and on a larger scale.
Right. I mean, it's really, I mean, not only in the personal capacity of this hospital, I think every woman should do. I mean, थोड़ा सेल्फ डिफेंस जरूर हमें करना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि आज की डेट में जो कहते हैं कि महिलाओं को पुरुषों की जरूरत है सुरक्षा करने के लिए, मुझे लगता है कि आज की डेट में महिलाओं को पुरुषों से सुरक्षा की जरूरत है. द वे आरजी कार हैज हैपेंड एंड एवरी सेकेंड, आपको तो डेटा मैम पता ही होगा, हर हर दिन रोज 50 से ज्यादा रेप्स एंड देन सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट जैसे केसेस होते हैं, कुछ तो अनरजिस्टर्ड भी होते हैं. सो सेल्फ डिफेंस डेफिनेटली ऐसा जरूर होना चाहिए. एंड एट एम्स, what how did you feel मैम जब आप यहाँ पे एज एन एमएस एम्स ज्वाइन किया, आपने जनवरी में ज्वाइन किया था? सो what difference have we seen now? अभी कुछ क्या changes, major changes overhaul हुए हैं यहाँ पे in terms of security and safety?
So you are drawing me a very short timeline, but in terms of let me tell you, lady guards का ज़्यादा recruitment हो रहा है.
Okay.
Okay. And there were a lot of complaints about our group C not having enough washrooms. So
Okay.
हम लोग कुछ washrooms हमने redesignate किए हैं,
Okay.
so that उनके लिए specific हो जाएं. Then उनके लिए change rooms कई जगह पे हम arrange कर रहे हैं
Okay.
separately. हमारे lady QRT team का अभी proposal एक गया है. I hope it will come soon enough.
Okay.
I'm talking with respect to security in particular. And our हमारा एक मस्जिद मोड कैंपस है जहाँ से मेन कैंपस में काफ़ी पेशेंट्स का और स्टाफ का आना जाना होता है.
जी.
So we have vehicles to transport staff. अगर किसी रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर ने या लेडी फैकल्टी ने रात को आना है, तो वहाँ पर गाड़ियों की व्यवस्था की गई है.
Okay.
जिनको वो एक नंबर पे डायल करके बुला सकते हैं उस कैंपस से इधर आने के लिए, वाइस वर्सा. और यदि गाड़ी उस वक्त बिजी है, वी हैव केप्ट 3 cars, बट इन केस दे आर बिजी, because you see there's a lot of to and fro traffic, then a guard is supposed to accompany that lady
Achha.
doctor
Okay.
to the main campus or vice versa.
Okay.
So these have all been instituted recently.
Okay. And this is 24/7, right? I mean,
Yeah, in the daytime it's not really
Right.
needed because there's a lot of
जी.
there are a lot of people around. It's
Right.
after duty hours that the area in between gets a little isolated.
Okay. जो आरजीकर मेडिकल इशू हुआ था उसमें एक टर्म आया था सेमिनार हॉल. मैं आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क, ये सेमिनार हॉल होता क्या है?
See, हॉस्पिटल का एक एकेडमिक कंपोनेंट होता है, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस का एक एकेडमिक कंपोनेंट होता है, तो सेमिनार हॉल उसके लिए एकेडमिक्स के लिए यूज होता है. कई जगह पर जहाँ थोड़ी जगह की कमी हो वहाँ सेमिनार हॉल्स और अगर उस हॉस्पिटल में हो तो इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल कंसल्टेशन के लिए भी यूज हो जाता है, इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल मीट्स के लिए भी यूज हो जाता है. सो अ सेमिनार हॉल
एंड
इज
क्या
बेसिकली अ मीटिंग
जो
हॉल
रेसिडेंट जेआर हैं,
और अ
डॉक्टर्स हैं,
टीम.
वहाँ पे रेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं? आई मीन, इज इट एम्प्टी? इफ इट इज एम्प्टी देन
A seminar hall is not really meant for that.
ओके.
You have duty rooms for that.
ओके.
But then, if any hospital might have its own constraints.
ओके. वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन वांटेड टू आस्क. जो भी एक्यूज्ड उसमें वो जो संजय रॉय करके जो भी व्यक्ति पकड़ा गया था, ही वाज अ सिविक वॉलंटियर. सो डू वी हैव सिविक वॉलंटियर्स हियर दिल्ली में भी, यहाँ पे भी हैं? एंड इफ इट इज हैं तो हम उनकी चेकिंग, क्रॉस चेकिंग हम करते हैं? मतलब वो क्या प्रोसेस होता है?
See, we do not have any term, any employee or any person helping us with the name of civic volunteer.
ओके.
But we do have outsourced staff
Right.
जिनकी हम verification, police verification कराते हैं.
Okay.
And other than that, we have NGOs who work here.
Okay.
NGOs की हम police verification individually तो नहीं कराते, but the NGOs themselves are responsible for the good behavior of their people,
Of course.
right?
Of course. Okay.
And their zone of work is restricted. There
Okay.
might be an NGO working with cancer patients.
Mhm.
They will be restricted to that area. They will
Okay.
not have influx all over the place. There is an NGO working for the elderly. It is restricted to that area.
Okay. Okay. And ये मेरा अपना खुद का पर्सनल क्वेश्चन था, बिकॉज व्हेन आई केम टू मीट यू मैम, उस टाइम पे मेरे एक रिलेटिव के डॉटर थी, उनका मैं ट्रीटमेंट कराने आया था. पर्सनली मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन, आई मीन आई क्वाइट अमेज्ड टू सी द बिहेवियर ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग विथ यू. क्वाइट हम्बल. और जो गार्ड भी हैं, जो डॉक्टर हैं, फैकल्टी, उनके जो भी पेशेंट्स को अगर दिखा भी रहे हैं, जो गार्ड भी हैं, दे क्वाइट हेल्पफुल. आई मीन, I just wanted to double quote it. I mean, literally, my experience with AIIMS is amazing. And मुझे लगा शायद मुझे प्राइवेट से अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे. आई वॉज इन टू ऑर्थोपेडिक एंड मैं डॉक्टर वेंकट के पास गया था. डॉक्टर शाह आलम भी थे, डॉक्टर वेंकट भी थे. आई मीन, ऑफ कोर्स टाइम तो लगता है, बट द डॉक्टर केम एंड सेड यू आर द अटेंडेंट ऑफ पेशेंट. मैं कहा हाँ. उन्होंने मुझे सॉरी बोला कि सॉरी इतना टाइम लग गया. तो आई फील कि यार, मतलब व्हाई इज ही सेइंग सॉरी? हम तो वेट करते ही करते हैं. सो द कर्टसी, द आई थिंक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इट्स अमेजिंग हियर. सो बाहर मैम एक छवि भी है कि एम्स में बहुत टाइम लगता है, मतलब 5 महीने, 6 महीने, 10 महीने, और बहुत देर लगती है किसी भी प्रोसेस में. सो हाउ ऑथेंटिक द डेटा, आई मीन क्या है ये?
See, I'm glad you had a positive experience. I hope it is always positive.
जी.
And I hope उतना ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े, but अगर
जी.
पड़े तो पॉजिटिव ही हो. जो छवि है ना कि टाइम लगता है, कुछ हद तक वो सही है, क्योंकि हमारे पास वर्कलोड इतना होता है. You see, एम्स में मोस्ट स्पेशलिटीज डोंट वर्क बाय द क्लॉक. वो सुबह आएंगे एंड दे विल, ओपीडी भी होगा तो जितने पेशेंट्स हैं, इवन इफ इट टेक्स देम लॉन्ग, दे विल फिनिश द ओपीडी. जी. राइट. सो सिमिलरली इन पेशेंट एरियाज में भी people do give that extra bit. It's built in the culture of AIIMS, and that's how everyone tries to function. मगर जब पेशेंट्स वेट करते हैं, वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि यहाँ ऑलरेडी बहुत वर्कलोड होता है. Right. It is not because something is not working. It is because something is working so well that it attracts a lot of people. Exactly. And then it gets overwhelmed by its own reputation. Exactly.
And last 2 to 3 questions. हमने उसी केस से रिलेटेड, इनफैक्ट माय ओन सिस्टर, फैमिली में भी मेरे साथ हरिन भी आया हुआ है, तो उसके फैमिली में लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. हमने यही सुना हुआ है, लाइक 32 घंटे की शिफ्ट, 72 घंटे की शिफ्ट आपने भी की होगी. सो क्या इसको हम कम कर सकते हैं, या नीड है कम करने की, या ज्यादा डॉक्टर्स हमें चाहिए एज अ कंट्री? क्योंकि जो पर्सन टू डॉक्टर रेशियो है इंडिया में वो तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ही कम है. सो इज इट मैंडेटरी कि 32 घंटे, 42 घंटे, 72 घंटे की शिफ्ट होती है, या फिर हाउ डज इट वर्क?
We do have shifts. I mean, let me put it this way. डॉक्टर जब आप बनते हो तो आप पे लेबर लॉ नहीं काम करता है. Okay, you're a student and you're there to learn.
Learn, right.
And yes, you do have long shifts, but there is an attempt these days to rationalize the hours of shift, which is good, which is so good. हमारे टाइम पे वो नहीं होता था. और एक और चीज होती थी. There used to be people who used to actually want to work more to learn more.
Right.
I have had such role models, but that is not to say कि वो rationalize नहीं होनी चाहिए. वो जरूर rationalize होनी चाहिए, so that everyone has a work life balance.
आपने यहाँ पे I'm sure कॉलेज है, रैगिंग भी होती होगी. सो आपने कोई इंसिडेंट्स देखा आपने? डिड यू आई मीन कुछ रोकने की जरूरत पड़ी, या फिर?
Well, I've been part of the anti-ragging committee all through these years, and normally ऐसी जरूरत पड़ी
नहीं
नहीं
पड़ती
है.
है. ओके. वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम. सो जस्ट वांटेड टू रिक्वेस्ट यू कि एक कोई मैसेज यू वांटेड टू गिव टू यंग women professionals should they wish to continue their career in healthcare or wanted to become a doctor, उनके लिए कोई मैसेज from your end, from based on your experience, कि ये करो या ना करो?
Okay, for those who want to be doctors, get into the profession only if you have the passion and the aptitude, the attitude for it. And the other thing, especially for women, the glass ceiling exists only in your mind. There is no glass ceiling actually.
And I think we can see the perfect example sitting here. And एक bonus question है.
बताओ कोई बात.
AIMS is the most valuable medical institution of the country. When you sit on this chair, what sort of responsibility do you feel? Because it's quite a very, 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 very important responsibility. The entire AIMS management, starting from top to bottom, everything. So, कैसा लगता है कि कहाँ पे मैं आ गई, या फिर कभी महसूस नहीं होता कि it's kind of very important and full of duty job?
Well, I'm just grateful that, what should I say, God, destiny has given me this opportunity. I hope I can live up to it gracefully. But frankly, ज्यादातर काम में ये सब सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता.
Because the other day when I came, आपने कहा था कि the entire week is quite occupied and then you've got family to see. So how time management कैसे होता है?
Time manages me most of the times.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, ma'am. It was again a pleasure speaking to you. Once again, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतना वक्त देने के लिए. And I shall definitely, I think viewers बता देंगे, कोई भी questions होगा, comment होगा, आप please comment करके बता दीजिएगा. How do you feel? And it was again a privilege to have you on our channel. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.